Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show how to increase your computer or laptop speed by 200%. Is your PC or laptop feeling slow and flagging? In this video I will show you how increase your computer speed using simple and free methods that work in good, easy and quick. Let's get started. Your faster computer is just a few steps away. First, stop unnecessary program from running at startup. Here's how to stop the unnecessary programs. Let's go. You have to go to the task manager, then go to startup apps. Just click, then close the task manager. Next, uninstall software you don't use. Go to settings option. Here is settings option, and go to the apps where you can find installed apps. Scrolling through and remove anything you don't recognize or use, like BlueStack service. There's three dot clean to uninstall. Then go to the Discord. If you don't use this Discord, so you can uninstall these apps. Then go to the clean your disk. Let's clean out unnecessary files. Press Win plus R. Win R and type CL and clean MGR and click the OK. Here is, you can see disk cleanup drive selection, so click the OK and check all boxes. Temporary files, recycle bins, all boxes are checking, and here is, you can see 106 MB. Then clean up system files. You click the clean up system files. This can free up several GB or memory and improve performance. It takes some time. Let's clean. Use a lightweight antivirus. A heavy antivirus software can slow your system. Use something lightweight like Windows Defender. Then you can find the settings and go to the Windows Defender. Windows Defender. After checking your Windows Defender, then turn off visual effects. PT animations can slow things down. Turn them off. Search the performance option. Here is adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. To click this, and here is visual effects advanced. Now I click on visual effects and to select the adjust for best performance, or you can choose custom and only enable what you like. So I can click adjust for best performance and enable to smooth edge of skin fonts, smooth scroll list box, then show thumbnail is instead of icons, as you like, then click apply and OK. This will speed up Windows transition and reduce lag. And also keep your system updated. Make sure Windows and your drivers are updated. Often included speed improvements and bug fixes. Go to settings and Windows update and install all apps updates. Now you can go to settings and go to the Windows update and make sure your system is up to date. Here is check for update, and it takes some times. After completed your updated system, then you can restart your PC, or and also you can use an SSD if you are still on a hard drive. It's hard drives and it's game changer. So, and that's it. Try these tips today and you will see your laptop or PC running faster than ever. If this helped, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.